Hi there everyone, it's Beauty Box time, and this limited edition Feel Good Favourites beauty box is a little bit special. The products inside were handpicked by our team at our HQ and by you, and there's a lovely leaflet inside telling you who picked what and why. Of course, as with everything we do, the products are cruelty-free, ethically and sustainably sourced, and using certified organic ingredients. I mean, what more could you ask for? So let's take a look and see what's inside. One of our most iconic products is our multi-award-winning Wild Rose Beauty Balm, and I love this super cute little 15-gram jar. It's perfect just to pop in a bag or just to give it a trial run. It's an organic cleansing balm using wild rose hipseed oil in the base with an invigorating, balancing blend of essential oils. It smells so good. And it's a real multitasker as well. I like to use it on my lips, as a nourishing face mask, but even on my cuticles. Then we have a mini Goodnight Pillow Mist. And I know so many people who swear by this, spritzed around their bedroom and even on their pillowcase before bed. And I just love the aroma. It's so calming and grounding, with chamomile, mandarin, vetiver, and of course, lavender as well. And I think all you need for a peaceful night is a cup of nighttime tea, switch off all your phones and electronic gadgets, have a hot shower or bath, and spritz this around your bedroom. Aroma is so good at evoking memories. And for me, aromatic shower gel really brings back those sort of hot Mediterranean holiday vibes. It has such a lovely herbaceous aroma using lavender, geranium, and Spanish marjoram essential oils. And I can never decide which of our shower gels I like best, so I tend to rotate them. But this 100ml size gives you a great opportunity to try it out for yourself. Organic lavender essential oil probably doesn't need an introduction. It's the ultimate multitasker. Perfect to take away on holiday or just to pop in your bag for a moment of calm or a scrape along the way. Now, this was our first certified organic essential oil way back in the early 1990s. It's grown in the foothills of the Alps in Provence and distilled at a local cooperative. And we still work with the original supplier today. Rejuvenating Frankincense toner isn't just a toner, it's got some extra goodies inside. Yes, the frankincense is great to help revitalise your skin and smells divine, but you also have glycerin and aloe vera topping up moisture levels and a skin smoothing tripeptide. And if you're after an alcohol-free toner, this is the one for you. Our Be Lovely collection is so close to our hearts. Back in 2011, we started a campaign to raise awareness of the plight of our bees, linked to a pesticide called neonicotinoids. Ever since then, 3% of every single Be Lovely sale has gone to support bee charities around the world. And it's currently Bumblebee Conservation Trust, which is just down the road from me. So not only does our Be Lovely body lotion help your skin to look good, it has a lovely, positive, sunny aroma with mandarin and orange essential oils, but it also helps you to feel good knowing that you're supporting our pollinators. We all love a hand cream that gives us nourished, smooth hands, but feels luxurious too. Wild Rose hand cream ticks both those boxes. It has a rich buttery texture, is infused with rose hipseed oil, whilst essential oils of frankincense, patchouli, geranium and ylang-ylang gives it an aroma everyone seems to love. I know this is my mum's favourite too. Lastly, we have Aromatic Massage Oil, and this was chosen by Fran, our formulator, and she's an aromatherapist, so that's high praise indeed. Aromatic Massage Oil has the same herbaceous blend of essential oils as Aromatic Shower Gel, but it's in a base of plant oils, including wheat germ and almond, making it perfect for a relaxing massage. But I just love using oils on my skin, particularly in summer when I feel they make my skin really glow. So that's our latest beauty box that you helped us choose. It's got some real classics inside, and I'm sure you're going to love it. With love from myself, Tipper, and Neal's Remedies. See you soon.